In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a size chart in Wix. Whether you're running an online store or managing a product catalog, having a clear and accessible size chart can make a huge difference for your customers. It helps them make informed decisions, reduces the chances of returns, and ultimately builds trust in your brand. The process we'll cover today is straightforward, so even if you're new to Wix, you'll be able to follow along without any issues. Let's dive right in and get started. First, begin by navigating to the Wix homepage. Once you're logged in, you'll want to locate the section where your product catalog is housed. Hover your cursor over the catalog option on the menu. This will give you access to all the products in your online store. From here, click on Store Products. This is where you'll manage the details of each product in your catalog. Now, locate the specific product you'd like to add a size chart to. Simply scroll through your product list, or use the search bar if you have a lot of items. Once you've found the product, click on it to open up the product details page. This is where we'll be adding the size chart. On the product details page, you'll see an option to add extra information to the product. Look for the button labeled Add an Info section and click on it. A new section will be created where you can input the details for your size chart. To keep things organized, type the word size as a placeholder in this additional information section. This will make it clear to both you and your customers that the information here relates to product sizing. Next, you'll need to structure the size chart so that it's easy to read and understand. To do this, click on the column icon. This will allow you to create a table-like format where you can organize the size information. You'll then need to add the number of rows and columns required for your size chart. Think about the information you want to include, such as different size options and their corresponding measurements. If there are any unnecessary fields that automatically populate, you can remove them by selecting None. This ensures your size chart is clean and free of clutter. Once the structure of the chart is ready, click on Row to formalize the layout and prepare it for data entry. When you're happy with how the chart looks, click on OK to confirm the layout. Now it's time to customize the columns to reflect specific size options. For instance, you might want to label the columns as small, medium, and large, or whatever size categories are relevant to your product. After labeling the columns, move on to filling in the details. This is where you'll input the specific size dimensions, such as width, length, or other measurements that apply to your product. Make sure the information you provide is accurate and clear to avoid any confusion for your customers. Once all the details are filled in, double-check the chart to ensure everything looks good. When you're satisfied, click on OK to save your changes. This will integrate the size chart directly into the product page, making it visible to your customers when they view the product. And that's it. You've successfully added a size chart to your product in Wix. By providing this additional information, you're not only enhancing the shopping experience for your customers, but also showcasing your attention to detail and professionalism. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.